Mind mapping. Mind mapping is one of the easiest ways to organize your content, especially when you've got a lot to memorize and not a lot of time. So in this video, I'll show you how I make my mind map step by step, and then I'll share a few tips that you can use them effectively for HC study. So if you're struggling to organize all your content or you don't know how to start revising, then this video is for you. So let's get into it. So now that you've seen how I actually make the mind map, here are a few tips to make yours way more effective for HSC study. First tip, don't try to put everything on the map. Mind maps work best when they're focused, so instead of doing a whole subject, do one syllabus dot point or one topic at a time. Like mine is only one PowerPoint out of the 16 that I have. It keeps things clear and stops things from getting overwhelming. Second, use keywords, not sentences. Short phrases and trigger words like the ones you saw in mine make it easier to remember stuff in exams. Another big one is color and visuals. Don't spend too long making it pretty, but use different colors for themes, case studies, quotes or formulas, whatever fits your subject. It helps your brain separate ideas and makes the map way easier to revise later. Also, make sure you're actively linking ideas, not just listing them. If two concepts connect, just draw a line between them, an arrow, or group them together. This is super helpful for extended responses where you need to show relationships between different ideas. And finally, use mind maps as an active study tool. Don't just make them and then forget about them. Cover parts up, try to record them, redraw them from memory, and then use them to plan and practice questions. And if you use them properly, mind maps can save you a ton of time and make revision way less painful. So if this helped, make sure to drop a like and subscribe and share it to someone who's also doing the HSC. And let me know in the comments if you want more study tips or specific subject videos. Good luck with your study and see you in the next one.